Hello everyone, today I'm here to answer one of my followers, Grace. She's saying, how do I stop Facebook videos from playing automatically on my timeline because it is consuming my data? So I know many people are experiencing such issues. So if you're out there and you're experiencing such issue, stick on this video because I'm going to show you the easy steps on how to stop your videos from playing automatically. So right away, let's so when you look at this is my timeline. My videos are playing automatically without me playing them. So let me show you this. First step, what you do, you go to your profile icon, you click there. So after clicking, you go where there is settings and privacy. So when you click on settings and privacy, you click on settings. Then when you click on settings, it's going to bring for you this interface. Then you look where you come this side and you go to where there is media. So you click on media. After click on media, it's going to display for you this. So video default quality, auto play videos. So you click on auto play videos. So by default, it is on. So I have to make it off. So I like the saving of off. So when I save off and I go back here, I try to go back to my timeline and I see whether they are going to be playing automatically. So you're seeing for the videos to play, I need to first click here. So when you click here, they are going to play. Without you clicking, they are not going to be able to play. So it's very easy, and I hope this video you have enjoyed and you have learned something. So if you have learned something, my friend, what are you waiting for? Share it with your friend and don't forget to hit the comment section for more questions. Thank you. God bless you. I love you.